Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Chef Mark here at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. I'm on the showroom floor checking out laundry. Of course, the LG Wash Tower is probably their best-selling laundry system. It's a unitized, semi-unitized, front-loading. It's great size. It fits virtually anywhere. Priced very competitively. Fully featured. And this is really something that I think has taken like the laundry world by storm, because it's one unit and you can sneak it in anywhere. But what if you wanted luxury laundry? And what is luxury laundry? Well, LG's luxury partner, Signature Kitchen Suites, came up with something truly unique. Let's go check it out. Signature Kitchen Suites, a luxury manufacturer of appliances, kitchen appliances, has now come out with luxury laundry. What is luxury laundry? Well, let's take a look here. They're huge. They're really tall. I think the benefit to having tall laundry, you don't have to bend down to load. I mean, this is like hip level. I do like that. We have down here what they call a sidekick for smaller loads. Okay, we're gonna push and open. And then this is great. You got a couple socks and small stuff, you know, just went to the gym. Easy to wash small items. You do have a pedestal bottom base here for storage. And then finally, the dryer. High capacity, really beautiful looking minimalist control panels. $2,000 a piece. Who's the customer for this? I think if you're gonna do a full Signature Kitchen Suites package in your kitchen with the range and the refrigerators and all of the beautiful appliances, why not have your laundry room match? It makes sense to me. So I'm excited to see these out in the wild when I'm in our VIP customers' homes and to see how people react to this. Is there a market for it? I think so. Are we gonna sell a ton of them? Maybe not, but I think it's a bold move by Signature.